We're at the Dollar Tree and, or should I say dollar inflation. Let's go see all these price increases. All right, guys, so we are here now over in the fall decor, and look at this, guys. So they just basically come over here and just put a sticker over this stuff. I am seeing $1.25 on these right here, so of course that's the summer stuff, and if it, you know, they're just trying to get rid of some of this stuff, I bet, for the summer. These are still $1.25, so they haven't marked any of these up, so those are really cute. School supplies that are still $1.25, even though it is back to school already. So maybe they're just not putting the prices up on those yet, only because, you know, they need to get rid of it. More summer stuff, still $1.25. And here's the big one. Now I'm seeing some Halloween here. Look at this. Look at this. We've got $1.50 now. I mean, what does that mean? They're putting stickers over this stuff. So is it, what is that I'm seeing? Is it really $1.75 now? Surely those are not $1.75. They had these last year, and I remember them being $1.25. But look what I found here: Lucky Charms and marshmallows. Okay, let's go on down the Halloween aisle. Yep, everything has been covered up. So what kind of irritates me about this, but this is confusing. So it says $1.25 right here, but then you have this marked over. So what is it? Like, that's super confusing. You're just gonna like pay whatever when you get to the red cash register. I just don't think that's fair, guys. What do you think? It does say $1.50 here and $1.25. Like, that's a huge price increase. This is everything that they had. I mean, a lot of the stuff is the same thing that they had last year. Yep, we've got plastics over here. These are $1.50. We've got cookies. All right, let's head on down here. We're seeing $3 and up for some of these items. Oh, this is actually marked $6. Look at that. Okay, so what they're doing is they're probably going to be putting that red sticker over and then marking it for whatever they want to. I remember these last year were $5. Actually, this is this quality is nicer, I will say, than last year, because I bought one last year for $5 and it was all plastic, and this is still plastic, but it seems like a little bit higher quality. So, I mean, I'm okay with a price increase if the quality is better, which I completely understand. But if we're just marking things up and the quality is still the same, that's like a whole nother story for me. All right, so we got some totes here. This is $5. We got some stackable drawers for $5. Got some more summer stuff. Now, I am curious to see what the cards are going for. Now, these are still going to be 2 for $1. So that I do not believe has increased, which is nice. All the paper plates look like they are still going to be $1.25. And all the party supplies are going to be $1.25 still. Now, we do have some blank cards here. These are looking to be $1.25 as well. Now we're into the wrapping area. Let's see, what are these saying? All right, so we got some bows for $1.25. So they still have $1.25 on these bows, and these are really cute bows, I have to say. I do like those. Now the wrapping paper, okay, I'm seeing $1.25 for those. We've got the gift tissue. Those are still looking like the same price. We've got the boxes. Now, these gift bags, they have covered them up. So you're getting 2 for probably the price of $1.50 now. So about 75 cents each. And that's what I'm seeing over here now. Let's go. Let's keep on rolling down. Now these regular gift bags, these are $1.25. You're gonna get 3 of them. So those have not increased yet. I would say yet. They're probably gonna be at some point. Toilet bowl cleaner, price increase, a sticker cover up. We've got, I'm seeing a lot of these household products being covered up. So like all of your candle wax warmers, your candles as well. So we're at $1.50 for all of the household products here. And I'm seeing that for your Dawn is going to be $5. So the $5 for the power wash. Okay, that looks, look at this. Did they just mark $5 on that?
Not bad though.
Which, yeah, that really isn't a bad price. For that, the gain is $3. Now, I do know that you can probably get this over at the Dollar General in their dollar aisle for $1. So that is probably going to be cheaper over there. And if you haven't checked out Dollar General lately, maybe that's where we need to start really shopping these days. A couple things on sale. I'm seeing seeds are 50% off. Let's go down the party supplies here. I'm seeing $1.50 for increases on the kids' storybooks. Oh my gosh, we've got $3 for crayons. We've got $3 for the washable markers and twist color pens. Now all the books are going to be $1.50, and the catering supplies are now $2. They're now $2, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if these quality have increased. No, I have to say they're just as plastic as ever. So these are going to be good for your kind of like a one-time use thing. We've got some party balloons. Now these are all looking to be about $1.25 still. So no price increase for those, except I do see these 6 baby shower favors. I have a price increase there. What else are we seeing? No price increases here yet. And balloons. Okay, let's keep on going down. Now, they've covered these up for the calendars. All right, so toys. Oh, dang, toys are $1.75. So those have increased 50 cents. So now all of this is $1.75. All the toys. All right, let's look at the craft aisle. Here we are at the crafts. I am seeing some things get price increased. Now, some are staying the same. Now, it does say right here, floral and accessories are $1.75. Y'all, this is just really a mess. I mean, you're going to get to the register and just not even know exactly what you're going to be paying for. Like, how much is it going to be? Like, it's like a choose your, is it going to be $10? Is it going to be $15 when you get there? If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps out my channel. So we have the galvanized metal crafts. Now these look like they're clearancing them out. They're going to be 4 for $1. Y'all let me know if you're seeing any of these same prices at your Dollar Tree. Are they going up by the same amount? I mean, to me, this seems like you should change the price as you get inventory in. Don't just change it while it's in store. I don't think that's fair at all. All right, let's see here. We have some vases for $3. We have this pillar candle. Now, oh, that is a nice, that's a real candle. So $3 for that. We've got some faux flowers for $3. Those are pretty decent sized bushel there for $3. That's not too bad. I did find this candle. It's cranberry and $3. Now that's a pretty good deal, I would say. We've got wallpaper. This looks like either it's not going up or it hasn't been changed yet. Now they do have a nice selection of candles. It does say $3 and up. Let's see what we can find. This is a pretty nice size, but I'm not seeing a price on this one. We have this. Now, I'm not seeing a price on these, so Are they $3? I don't know. Look at this one. This one's pretty cool. Fresh and clean scented candle. Now that is price marked at $5. It doesn't smell very good. There's like no scent to that. So why am I going to pay $5? Am I going to pay $5 just to have that pretty dish? I mean, you could if you're not going to burn it. Poster board, 2 for $1. Lots of vibrant colors. We have some whiteboards here. Couple more things that they've started to increase. Now we have all the organizers for your home office. We got still not the best quality. We have boxes and markers. Still prices are the same. All right, let's go down here. Automotive, we've got $1.50 going on now. Hardware is now $1.50. They have some new tools and stuff, so $5, $3. We got all the car scents for $3. Cleaning supplies. I always love the Dollar Tree because their cleaning supplies are very affordable. But price increase. Dollar General is cheaper, y'all. Sponges, $1.50. All of the pet supplies, pet food and accessories, $1.50. They are marking these $6.50, so they are marking some things. More household products for $1.50. And they're pretty busy down here, so we're going to skip that aisle, but I guarantee you there's going to be some price increases. All right, let's go down the beauty aisle. Here we go. Hand soap, $1.25. That has not increased. Although I do like this. Look at that. That's kind of nice. Wonder what it smells like. We've got the bar soaps. Looks like that for now is staying the same. We've got some Q-tips. Cotton balls look to be the same. A couple things are increasing. It's kind of funny how you'll see this increase, but not this. So it's like a pick or choose kind of a thing. Or they just haven't gotten to it and they've restocked it and they went ahead and just put that on the item. Band-Aids, $1.25. Looks like the medicines are going to be staying $1.25. We've got some beauty line that's going to be staying $1.25, so that's good. Oh, look at this Kids Bath Buddy. I like this. 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, strawberry watermelon swirl. Oh, that's kind of neat. And they have some Glow Up serum. Beauty stuff looks to be staying about the same for now. We have the Goody Ouchless medium hair ties. These are $1.25. These look to be no price increases. Candy looks to be still the same, $1.25, but you can go to the Dollar General, I believe, and get some a little bit cheaper. So keep that in mind. Oh, look at these sour noodles. And we have these new socks. These are going to be $3. Now these are going to be $5, and these are a little bit thinner. These are a little bit better quality. We've got these socks here for $3. Now I did see these Gildan shirts. I wasn't sure how much these are, but nice little Gildan shirts for kids. Nice little polo shirt. All right, let's go down the food aisle. Not seeing any price increases here. Got all the snacks for still the same price, and I'm even seeing that for $1.25. We've got the drink section, still the same. Let's see what else we can find that has a price increase. Now we do have batteries here. This is going to be $8.50. Now you're going to get 8 batteries. These are $8.50. They do have some other batteries here. These are now $3. They even have, like, you know, these lithium batteries, but they did do the price cover up, so $1.50 for those. Coke, $1.75. Oh, here we go. We found something under $1. We've got some salt, 79 cents. That's nice. Okay, looking to be no price increase over here.
These are so good.
All right, all of this seems to be normal. Price, frozen food, all of this still the same. All right, so I am seeing these foil wrap and pans, $1.75 now, which, oh, that's really depressing. I love using these for the holidays. So we're gonna get one now for $1.75, at least at that size. These are pretty nice. Oh, I love these. And you got your big turkey pans down there. We've got the plastic wrap, parchment paper, and liners, $1.50. And here is the rest of those foil wrap and pans. Again, $1.50. Glass is now $1.50. Now we do have a couple decorative stemware for $1. Not sure which ones those are. Maybe are these here. These are now 50 cents and they've marked it at 50 cents. We've got these, so they might just be kind of clearancing these out. It was what it looks like. We have the nice ceramic dinnerware for $1.50, and the chargers are going to be $1.50 now. But I will say these are pretty decent bowls. I have had these and they've lasted. They've gone through the dishwasher a ton of times and they've not chipped or faded at all. I do like these white bowls here. Those are pretty nice stoneware. Placemats. Plasticware is now $1.50. Now, I have bought these previously. This quality is actually cheaper, and now I'm paying $1.50. I've paid $1 for these before, but yeah, those are good to put in your refrigerator. Disposable bags are now $1.50 as well, guys. And we have paper items are going to be $1.50. Oh, Bounty single rolls, $3. And we have sparkle chair squares, $4. $4 for just two. Yikes. And we've got some price covers up for our kitchen linens. Oh, they have some sun readers. That's pretty cool.
These are
I might have to get some of those. Oh, I did find these Sonic Ocean Water Zero Drink Mix. Yeah, I love ocean water. I think I'm gonna have to try that. Well, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and now you know what the prices are at the Dollar Tree, and it will help give you some insight on where to shop next. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link on screen, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!